Hey, it's Jimbo with Top Notch Mechanical. We're swapping out a residential furnace for a brand new high-efficient unit. The process usually starts by removing the old furnace. That means disconnecting the exhaust, the gas, the electrical, and pulling everything out. Once the old furnace is out, we bring in the new one. Most of the time, the dimensions are different, so we build a custom transition to tie into the new furnace. If anything needs to be adjusted, whether that's extending wiring, modifying the exhaust, or tweaking fittings, we take care of it so everything is up to code. If you're looking for a residential heating service, reach out to Top Notch Mechanical. Thanks for watching.